In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an Xfinity xFi gateway that's showing offline so you can get your internet back up and running. First, open the Xfinity app on your phone. On the home screen, check the status of your gateway. If it says offline, it means it's not communicating with Xfinity's network. Start by checking the power. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into the gateway and the wall outlet. If possible, plug it directly into a wall outlet instead of a power strip. Next, check the coaxial cable. Make sure it's tightly connected to the back of the gateway and the wall outlet. Loose connections are a common cause of offline errors. Restart the gateway through the Xfinity app. Select your gateway, tap Troubleshoot, then choose Restart. Wait about 5 minutes to see if it reconnects. If you can't access the app, manually restart by unplugging the power for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. If it still shows offline, check for service outages in your area using the Xfinity app or website. If there's an outage, you'll need to wait until it's resolved. If there's no outage, try moving the gateway to a different coaxial outlet in your home to rule out a bad wall connection. Also, disconnect any splitters between the wall outlet and the gateway. Splitters can weaken the signal, especially if they're old or damaged. If none of these steps work, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for about 30 seconds until the gateway reboots. You'll need to set it up again afterward. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.